Very good evening to all of you. Can you confirm me my voice and screen is coming?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Thank you so much. So,
Yes. Yes.
I hope we have query session before this topic, or we have to start this topic. Anyone have query, so he or she can ask me
Yes, sir. I have one query with.
regarding pandas.
Yeah, sir. Regarding pandas.
So let me open.
Yeah.
Please wait. This is my actually Ubuntu Linux operating system, so everything is done with the help of command. Okay. And one more question: all of you get the notes on LMS? Any issues with any LMS?
No, sir. Not to me.
Anyone got the access?
Sir, I'm still waiting for the access.
What's your good name, dear?
It's absolutely.
Harshal, you talked with the Raki ma'am?
I had a conversation with my counselor.
No. What I say yesterday that if your counselor is not able to solve your problem, so you have to directly communicate with Raki ma'am. You had
Oh,
number?
oh,
You have number?
yeah, I have the number. So I have taken a screenshot. I'll talk to
Yeah,
her. I'll
definitely.
send it.
And now you have to talk after this class to directly
Okay.
Raki ma'am. Okay.
So shall I WhatsApp her?
Yeah. First you WhatsApp her.
Okay. Okay, sir.
She will definitely
Okay.
reply 10, 15, 20 minutes.
Okay. Okay.
She's very active lady and taking care of all management. Okay.
Okay.
So
Okay.
please do not delay because if you're delaying, so you have a heap of work. All right.
Okay, sir. Okay,
So
sir.
yes,
Okay.
Nisha.
I'll do it as early as possible.
Nisha,
Thank
what
you, sir.
query you have in Pandas one or Pandas two?
Yeah. Hello.
First Nisha. First
Yeah,
Nisha.
yes, sir. Pandas too. I'm
Hello.
sorry, I'm speaking. I was on mute.
Uh, please wait. Please wait. I'm on the Nisha's query. Then I will tackle the second one.
Sir, pandas too. I have the query on this iris data, sir. Can you please explain? I was not able to execute this because iris one especially. What are we doing with iris one? Till iris, I understood. Till iris one, I was not able to understand what we are doing from iris one.
I told you one thing that what we doing next. Pandas read CSV function. CSV function. Uh, uh, Strong, what we say, smart enough to read data set from URL. This is about my task. What I do next line, I told you that without locating my data set in my disk, means in my lab computer, I can directly read from the URL. That's what I am doing over here. Okay, Nisha?
Okay, sir. And
Okay,
after that, sir,
yeah.
there you.
After the same thing. After that same thing, nothing new. I push the head.
Okay.
I pull the column name. I
Okay. Yeah.
कुछ नया नहीं किया है, बस ये बताया है कि रीड सीएसवी फंक्शन डिस्क से भी रीड करता है और यूआरएल से भी रीड करता है, बोथ.
Oh,
दैट्स व्हाई आई एम
but
सेइंग स्मार्ट. ऑलराइट.
बट सर लास्ट में आपने ना अपना नाम डॉट अभिषेक डॉट सीएसवी करके कुछ किया
अरे
उस पे.
बेटा वो राइट कराया है मैंने, वो राइट कराई है. आप अपना नाम से राइट करा लो किसी नाम से.
नहीं, ये हुआ क्या ऐसा यही समझ नहीं आया ना.
ये मैंने जब मैंने हम एक फाइल बना ली,
हाँ.
when I make any file, I with the proper header name, because the original file missing the
Yeah.
header name. Okay.
Yes. Yeah.
So I make them modify and then write this on same disk where the file is located. My source code is located in that disk. I write it over here.
Sir, I'm not getting this. Yesterday also I was not able to. I'm not getting. What do you mean by that? I write it and with the same source code.
अच्छा, मैं मेरी बात सुनो. मैंने आपसे बोलूं कि सचिन तेंदुलकर की ऑटोबायोग्राफी लिखनी है ना? तो आप टाइप तो करने नहीं बैठोगे.
नहीं.
आप क्या करोगे, विकिपीडिया खोलोगे,
हाँ.
वहां से कॉपी करोगे, फिर एक डॉक फाइल बनाओगे, डॉक फाइल पे पेस्ट कर दोगे,
यस यस.
सेव करोगे, कहीं ना कहीं सेव करोगे ना.
हाँ हाँ.
तो मैंने सेव ही किया है, समझ लो. दिखेगा. Two
So
CSV
Iris,
function, two CSV function is used to write or create the CSV file. ओके और
okay.
क्या है, क्या डेटा फ्रेम है वो आइरिस वन में जितना डेटा फ्रेम है वो पूरा पूरा राइट कर
Hmm.
देगा. व्हाट यू हैव
And
इन आइरिस इट विल राइट ओवर हियर.
okay, and this file name is the file name that I want to put.
Yeah, yeah,
Abhishek.csv is my file name.
that is your customized file name.
Okay, okay,
In
okay, okay. You
text
mean
I
to say
write
any data that we are getting from URL and we are working on that, we can convert that into a CSV file. This is what this syntax is doing.
definitely I write the syntax data frame dot to CSV.
Okay,
Okay, then your file name dot CSV.
okay,
Okay
okay.
ma'am.
Understood, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay,
And sir,
thank you.
okay, and one more thing, sir. In every syntax where I'm writing read underscore CSV and then I'm writing the path of the file. When I wrote the simply the only file name, the my error was that it is the location is not found.
So you do not put that file in the root folder. You have to put the file in root folder. What is root folder? Where you make your file, where actually you do not have access to share your screen. So I'm telling you where's my this is my full navigation path. Not it,
Sir, I was searching for my folder in that Anaconda Navigator where in program files I can search for that. Where can I get my root folder? I was not able to.
definitely I'm telling you. This is, you are a window.
Yeah,
You
the Windows 10.
so do one thing. You make a file in pandas one in your system.
Yes, sir. In Jupyter Notebook you're talking about?
Okay, yeah. So do one thing. Write the same name in your Windows search bar. pandas1.ipynb. What is IPY? Internet Python Notebook. IPYNB means it's an extension. I mean, the file you have, its extension is IPYNB.
Okay.
All right.
Sir,
So
I
search the
already have one IP. I have many IPYNB names file
so
notebook in my
what you
Jupyter.
what so you have many thing and you don't know the root folder.
Yeah, sir. That's what I'm not able to understand.
So go to your C drive,
Okay.
C user,
Okay.
check the Windows C users.
See.
Users what
Yeah,
folder
yeah,
you
sir.
have?
Yes, sir.
You have
Users.
your laptop name. You have your laptop name HP,
Yeah, yeah,
Dell.
sir. I got it. Username.
When you
After that.
open this thing laptop name, then you find the same structure what you find over here. Okay, check this one.
So in Windows C user, it is coming out as all users, default users, default migrated,
Yeah,
then Nisha PC, and then public.
Nisha PC, click this one.
Okay.
Means laptop name, your laptop name Nisha PC. Okay.
Okay. And then yeah, I'm getting many
Yeah,
things.
now we are you are having a same root directory. Check this one, same structure what you find over there. Now search it. Where is your file?
Okay.
Better, that's why I'm saying make a folder. My work is arranged. I make everything
Yeah,
in
yeah,
file
I
folder.
have, sir.
Okay,
I
so
found my.
you
Okay,
will
so you mean to say I need to save my file here?
yeah, definitely you have to save your file. It will automatically save where you
Yeah, it
make.
is automatically saved here, sir.
ओके, सेव है तो देख लो फिर कहाँ पे है. मेरा तो रूट फोल्डर के अंदर माय डेटा साइंस बैच IIBM May 21 बैचेस इसके अंदर सेव है पूरा पूरा.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
मिल गया. फिर?
ठीक है, बस आपका सेव हो गया. आप उस पाथ पे जाओ, उस फोल्डर पे जाओ. जैसे पैंडाज मेरा फोल्डर है, मैंने इसके अंदर अपना आइरिस सेव किया है. यहाँ पे आपको पेस्ट करना है वो.
Okay.
यहाँ पे
Actually,
आपको आइरिस डाउनलोड करके यहाँ पेस्ट करना है, तभी वो एक्सेस करेगा.
नहीं नहीं वो तो समझ गई सर, मैं यहाँ पे पेस्ट कर दूंगी. बट जैसे आप कह रहे थे ना कि वो सिर्फ हम जब रीड अंडरस्कोर CSV लिख के जब हम फाइल नेम लिख रहे हैं आपका रन हो जा रहा है, बट जब मैं लिख रही हूँ ना तो मेरा रन नहीं हो रहा. मैं बस ये कहना, यहाँ पर नहीं सर, रीड अंडरस्कोर CSV के टाइम पे
वो
df
आपको
इक्वल्स टू.
आपकी फाइल नहीं, आपको फाइल दिख रही है यहाँ पे. आपको ये फाइल ऐसे दिख रही है आइरिस डॉट डेटा, आइरिस डॉट नेम.
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
आपकी फाइल, आपने वही फाइल खोली है जो यहाँ पे लिखी हुई है. आपने वही फाइल खोली है जो यहाँ लिखी हुई है, pandas IPYNB फाइल. ये मेक श्योर हो. अगर आपकी
आईपी
सोर्स कोड
IPYNB फाइल तो है मेरी.
नहीं, जो वो तो एक्सटेंशन है, जो नाम है वो वही खुला हुआ है क्या. जैसे मेरा pandas 1 pandas 2 है, तो मैं pandas 2 खुली हुई है. मींस मैं उसी रूट फोल्डर से एक्सेस कर सकता हूँ, उसी में राइट कर सकता हूँ इजिली.
Okay sir, okay, I will see to it. I understood what you're trying to say. Okay, I was doing it is wrong.
You have to everything put in root folder. My root folder right now is pandas. Okay, everything in mine is pandas. All right.
Okay sir, I understood. Okay. Thank you
Sir
so much.
Harshal over
Hello.
here.
Some
Yeah.
Harshal, please wait. One more query is in
Hello,
between.
sir Harshada here. I have a small query regarding the same
Please
topic.
wait, please wait, please wait. In between, someone knocked me and I stopped them. What's a good name? नाम भी तो भूल जाता हूँ मैं, क्या नाम था? Someone talking me and I stopped them. Who is he or she? Before, in between the Nisha? No problem.
Harshal.
Harsh,
Harshal, yes, please. Now you can continue. Harshal, you can continue.
Sir, if we are saving something, some files into download, so the
You
path
can
will means.
access. You can access. You can do the light the part. But my advice, always put the thing in root folder for quickly access, right? Because sometimes your Windows or Linux do not provide you read and write access to different folder. That's why I'm requesting you put in root folder everything.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Okay.
next one.
hello, sir Harshada here.
Mm-hmm.
Sir, can you show me how you are generating the URL because I've pasted but it was showing errors. So can you tell me once again?
You did you read check the recording on yesterday?
No recording. I have not got only that PDF what we teach
Where is
yesterday.
recording? Where is recording? I'm telling you. Go to YouTube and search IIBM data set. IIBM, all right? When you see this IIBM, this channel, IIBM Institute of Business Management, you got this one, all right? All the recording over here. First day, second day, third day. You have
Okay,
to
sir.
search IIBM. You can take the screenshot of this one. Subscribe this channel. So as the video going to post, you got the notification.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Sir, this is Sandeep, sir.
Yes, Sandeep.
Sir, may I know how to download this IPYNB as PDF file, sir? When I try, it is showing internal server error.
Okay. You are running your IPY in which Chrome or Mozilla Firefox?
Chrome, sir.
Chrome. That is better. Put the Control P. Put the Control
Okay.
P. Control P means print
Yes.
point. Okay. So
Sir,
Yes.
actually, I'm also getting
Sir,
the same error.
sir, I forwarded you the HTML files as an
no
assignment.
problem.
Yes.
Because on laptop I can see this thing, but sometimes when I open the mail in mobile, so it is hard to see HTML file. Go to here and do print.
Sure, sir. Sure, sir. Yes.
Where is
Control P, right?
Control
Yeah.
P shortcut is not there. Print.
Yeah.
Control P.
Print. Yes.
It will convert to PDF. Save as a PDF. If you have any
Okay.
printer, so leave that option. Save as a PDF. Then save desired location and it will convert to PDF. Yes. Next one.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Many people raising their hand. Today we have 40 students. Wow. Yes, Aishwarya. What query you have?
Sir, I have this doubt regarding the root folder. Whenever I try to save the file by going into file and I do save as, it asks me to write the root, like the path of the folder.
There nothing problem I have. Simple. See, I simply write. I mean, where my file is located, it's simply write. No path is given. Simply just I. It is a rule of programming language. If you creating any file, any program, so where is source code? My source code means my program file. My program file is pandas 2. My csv file is this one. So in which folder your pandas 2 is there? In the same folder that thing is right over here. Try some Google. Try to go with the Stack Overflow, है ना? So when you do this thing, you got the different way how to access this one. This is nothing panic. I don't know why your
Sir, my files are lying outside only, not into any folder.
Do one thing, send me the screenshot on email ID so I can check actually, because you have no access to share your screen. So
Sir, I will also do the same if I find my problem
yeah,
again.
definitely. See, I will give you the email ID this one, take a screenshot and keep mailing everything, keep mailing. Okay. All right. Next query, I'm asking the name, telling the name, Mehendi Umar. Yes, Mehendi Umar. Mehendi Umar, are you listening me?
Yes, I can hear you, sir.
Definitely.
Good evening.
Very good evening.
Actually, this is my first class.
Okay. So Mehendi Umar, you
so I'm just following, or should I follow, or then I discuss later on, because I'm a little bit lost and.
Yeah, you little bit. So you follow this URL. Okay, 3 class you find over here. 3 class Saturday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Friday, Saturday, Sunday. So you follow please these three class, and
Okay.
the thing which I give the on LMS, then you can recover all the things. All right.
Okay.
Okay. Next one. Any more question? Any more?
No, that is fine. So I have to follow those, then I'll understand these, isn't
Yeah,
it?
definitely. Otherwise, drop an email what you carry you have. Better you guys.
If I can get the resources, how like the way the whatever you're showing,
you
is
have
it there?
access. You have access of LMS or not?
Yes, I think I have.
So
LMS means
yeah.
yeah, I have that. I have that. I think.
So open this one. Open this one. This is old notes taught by me. Very starting.
Okay, that's fine.
You have to go at very bottom. Okay.
Okay.
This one machine learning slide, NumPy, Pandas, everything is over here.
Okay, that's fine.
सर शाम को मतलब अभी भी पोर्टल नहीं खुल रहा है, मतलब वीडियो प्ले करने ट्राई कर रही हूँ तो तब भी नहीं हो रहा है।
बेटा वीडियो तो YouTube पे है ना?
नहीं वो
तीनटा क्लास है सामारो जाना भी ना।
मेहंदी मैं प्लीज म्यूट योरसेल्फ। या
हाँ सर, तो मतलब यहाँ पे भी जो वीडियोस है ना वो लोड नहीं हो रहा है।
यहाँ वीडियो अच्छा यहाँ वीडियो वाले हैं जो ट्यूटर ने दिया। ओके सो दैट इज नॉट माय कंसर्न, यू हैव टू टॉक विद राखी मैम regarding this. Any query you are facing, first contact to your counselor, then Rakhi ma'am directly. First drop message to Rakhi ma'am. I hope your query will be solved within
सर मेरे पास राखी मैम का नंबर नहीं है या मेल आईडी नहीं है।
मैंने कल ही दिया था
मैं कल अटेंड नहीं कर पाई सर।
Sir, even I too faced an issue with LMS portal since last Saturday.
It's not at all opening. So आप उनके नंबर या मेल आईडी और एक बार लिख दोगे तो
हाँ मैं कर रहा हूँ।
हाँ ठीक है सर, थैंक यू।
Sir, if you don't mind, please check with your credentials so that we can confirm with the problem is with with our credentials only. If you don't mind, please confirm with your credentials, sir.
Which kind of credential?
I mean, your LMS portal, whether you can able to play the video, any kind of.
Okay. You want that I can got the video or not?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, please wait. I just check the Python video. Data text, data in Python. Okay, just wait. I hope it's playing.
हाँ सर आ रहा है, अब ठीक है सर।
मेरे में चल रहा है, so आप भी देख लीजिएगा। Sometimes नहीं चलता है। Sometimes नहीं चलता।
मतलब शाम से ट्राई कर रहे हैं सर, तो वो लोड ही नहीं हो रहा था, तो अभी होगा शायद। सर उनकी नंबर
हाँ मैं नंबर ट्राई किया करना व्हाट्सएप पे पहले। ओके वो क्वेरी सॉल्व कर देंगी व्हाट्सएप पे, आपकी क्वेरी सॉल्व हो जाएगी। ठीक है, डू नॉट ट्राई बिकॉज शी इज वेरी बिजी लेडी एंड शी इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ मैनेजमेंट। सो ये नंबर है, राखी मैम नाम है। ओके सो आई थिंक होप एवरीवन गॉट देयर क्वेरी क्लियर। Shivali, yes Shivali. Shivali, can you speak please?
Yes sir. Sir, I wanted to ask that ये जो हमने CSV फाइल क्रिएट करी है जिसमें राइट किया है, तो उसको फिर एक्सेस उसी तरह से ही करेंगे जैसे हम पहले से ही करते आ रहे हैं। CSV फाइल को pd.read
जो राइट कर रहे हो उसे रीड CSV से एक्सेस कर सकते हो। Means any kind of CSV. See here iris.data, we do not have CSV file, so read CSV function can access .data file. It is one kind of text file. Okay, so this is data file, and I hope many of you open this file or not. I don't know. I show you what in data file, because data file is little bit different from CSV. अगर आप विंडो यूजर हैं, if you are a window user, so you cannot open this file directly. You would need Notepad++ software. Install this one, Notepad++. Install Pad++ software for access .data file. It will not open using that text viewer in your Windows. All right, so this is one kind of data file, comma separated.
Right? .data file is a type of that raw data we are talking about.
Yeah. Yeah, one kind of, but it is not CSV file. It is one kind of text file. All right. So shall we move? इतनी सारी क्वेरी आप लोग मुझे मेल कर दिया करो, मैं रिप्लाई कर दिया करूँगा, अदरवाइज टाइम बहुत इसमें चला जाएगा. ओके, वन मोर क्वेरी. अखिला, query sorted or query sorted? Yes.
Actually, sir, this is Akila, sir. But the where command from the NumPy, which I'm trying yesterday night, it is not working for me. The other command has been worked.
Which command? Which command? Tell me the file name. Pandas 1 or Pandas 2?
It is not of Pandas, it is of NumPy, sir, by the way.
Oh, you are attempting NumPy. Okay, please wait. I am just opening NumPy. Which chapter? Chapter 1, 2, 3, 4. Which chapter?
It is of chapter 4. In that, the where command.
Where command? Where command in chapter 1, I think. Not over here.
I guess chapter 4 it may be. Chapter
where function hai. There is not command. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, syntax function basically. It's not working for me actually.
Actually, where function return you the index where the condition is going to be satisfied. Check this one. Random. After random, we have where. I hope it is in chapter 2.
It is in chapter 3, sir.
No, it is chapter 2. Okay, so I'm demonstrating what happened. First of all, I created list of items. Okay, so I use a random function. I start the number from 30 to 100. Okay, 30 to 100. I need 25 numbers. So when I run these things, this will give me the 25 numbers. Now where command is used for numpy.where function in Python return the index. Indices means multiple index of item where input array when the given condition is satisfied. Now I have to search in the given array whose item is greater than 90. Value greater than 90. So what it do? It will return the index and index will store in result. Check this one. These are the index. So if it is not running, you do not import the numpy. First you have to import the numpy as np. Then it will run.
Because all the lessons which you have teached, I have done in the same Python thing. Same
so in this case, you have to give me the PDF file. What you PDF? I mean, what problem you
sir,
have?
I have made you the PDF file, sir.
Actually, today we have a very busy schedule, so that's why I cannot check over here. I will check today and revert you back. All right?
And I have mentioned in the mail itself that my problem is this.
No problem. I will check over here. All right.
Fine, sir.
Yeah. Excuse me, sir. Rakesh this side.
Rakesh, yes, please.
Yeah, so this from the NPTEL where we can actually do the working of SQL queries, right, sir?
Please repeat. Your word is breaking. Please repeat.
Yeah. Yes, sir. So, sir, the np.where command we actually using SQL here.
Not SQL. Why?
Not
why?
SQL. No, kind
not
of SQL. Actually, we are sorting.
Yeah,
kind of SQL.
Kind
so
of SQL.
My question is, yeah, sir. My question is, in a real time, we were also using Panda or NumPy only, or we have to use SQL there?
Actually, in data science, SQL is not introduced because the Python alone or Python library alone is strong enough to handle the data. Yes. Python library, that is Pandas or NumPy, it is strong enough to handle data. Okay, as we proceed, our algorithm is proceed. Scikit-learn libraries come over here. Okay, so they create a model. So searching is not done. See, in entire machine learning and data science, we subjected to prediction, not searching.
Yes.
So searching not required because we do some data visualization, we do some data processing. Searching not required. Only data pre-processing is more required. All right.
Okay. Yeah. Thank you, sir.
Yes. More question? Anyone more question? Yes, Srilata Reddy.
Sir, can you tell me the iloc and loc difference location?
Did you attempt that thing or not?
Yes, I done. Yeah, I done that. Can you just explain that one only, lock and item?
I means integer
Okay.
location. Lock means without integer location.
Okay.
So this is in pandas 1 or 2?
Pandas 1. It is in homework.
Cell number. This is cell number. Always if you asking me to
Just
give me the file name and cell number. What cell number?
sorry, just 18.
18. 18.
18. 18. 14th, I think it will start from 14th.
No, in my your 14th.
In your sheet only I'm seeing, sir. Just one minute, let me see.
आपके पीछे बर्तनों की आवाज बहुत आ रही है, तो म्यूट कर लीजिए. ओके. 13, 14.
After, yeah, here.
See, first of all, yes. This is basically index column. When you want to change the index column, what happen? Sometimes you read the data, so automatically numeric index is given by default. Right? Numeric index is given.
Okay.
But sometimes if you want to change, no, I want my column as an index. So what happen? We have to change the index column using the index property. Just like I have to put index call, and what column you want to make in, I make name column as an index. So what happened?
Okay.
I create one copy. I do not disturb any data set. Okay. So NBA1 now have the name. You can see it's written bold. Now see this thing. This will use the index column which is non-numeric, and this will use the index column which is numeric. So initially this was numeric. So I location means integer location. You have integer location for that, and for this one you don't need integer location. You need string location.
Okay.
And you can see this is from all data set. If you need all data set to put, because we have two index, one is row, one is column. So this will work on index LOC, and I put A to J. So what data you have A to J? Avery, Bradley, then John, Holland to, it will print over here. Check this one. One,
okay.
two. Okay. So the thing is this integer location and non-integer location.
Okay, I understand, sir. For iLock, we are putting the like 0 to numbers. Right?
When we create a regression model, maybe possible on tomorrow. So I will show you how iLog work, because we have to separate features and outcome. So the features and outcome can be split with the help of iLog function.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Harshada, anything is remaining?
Yes, sir. Sir, one plot is there in same notebook, multicolor plot.
I have one request to all participants. If you have queries, so finish your query in one slot, because next participant will wait. Okay, so please when you have a chance, so clear all the queries. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Which cell number? Give me the cell number.
Cell number actually, I don't know. That matplotlib functions, that histogram plotting is there, no? Multicolor plot is there. Yeah, same.
This
so
one?
I tried the same code, but I've got the plot in only one color. So is there any
that is I hope your pandas version is different. Nothing else.
But the second one means second plot is also there, no? Bar plot.
This one?
Yeah, this one came as it is, but why this is difference between these two?
Because this is on single index. On single index, this is one bar. So no need for different color. But here on single index, you have two bar. Single index, what you are doing over here, for particular player, you are comparing the age and weight.
Yeah, that came with different two colors. But my question is what did means version
Here,
also affect the these outputs?
Definitely affect, more effect.
Okay.
Because now if you go to Google Colab, the pandas 1 point something version is launched. That is the main problem in data science, the collaboration between the Python library. Rapidly, each library changing their version. So merging all these library, it is very complicated task. That's why I put the warning message, import warning, if you like this. Otherwise, nothing. You have, please don't go with the color. Go with the what data is plotting, because we have to conclude from data set, not color. Okay, color is subject to that thing. All right. Okay, so I hope lots of query today. Any more? मुझे सबने होमवर्क सेंड तो कर दिया है, नहीं किया है? एवरीवन
Yeah, we sent sir.
Yes,
sir.
जिसने नहीं किया उसके नंबर कट
होमवर्क?
कल वाली होमवर्क
सर कल क्लास अटेंड नहीं किया मैंने।
हाँ तो कोई बात नहीं, आप कल भेजेंगे मुझे, वरना सबके नंबर कट जाएंगे जो नंबर नहीं भेजेगा मुझे होमवर्क, ठीक है?
सर होमवर्क क्या है?
मैडम आपको ये 2 PDF मिलेंगी ना, इसके नीचे होमवर्क लिखा है, आप देखिएगा।
ठीक है जी।
So I hope all of you good student. So let's start the session or any more?
Yes, sir, please, yes, sir.
Samuel.
Start the session.
Samuel asking something.
गुड इवनिंग सर।
या गुड इवनिंग। यस, एनी क्वेरी?
सर एक्चुअली माफ कीजिएगा सर, पिछले बार आपके हेलो
माफ मत वो ऐसा मत बोला करो, माफ कीजिए कोई बात
सर एक्चुअली आपका तबीयत कैसे सर? अभी मैं वही जानना चाहता था सर।
मैं ठीक हो गया हूँ, मुझे किडनी स्टोन की प्रॉब्लम हो गई थी, मुझे कोविड भी हो गया था, मैं फिट हूँ एकदम, ठीक है?
ओह माय गॉड, ओके थैंक गॉड आप अच्छे हुए सर। मैं पिछले बार से ही स्टॉप कर दिया था क्लास, तो थैंक सो मच सर, आपने फिर से स्टार्ट किया।
देखो ऐसा कुछ नहीं है, दुनिया में बहुत सारे टीचर हैं, बहुत सारे ट्रेनर हैं, अपनी ट्यूनिंग बनाते रहते हैं। कोई कंपनी में जैसे आप कल को कंपनी में जाओगे तो बॉस अगर उल्टा सीधा बन गया तो जॉब छोड़ दोगे, नहीं ना? तो हमें हर कंडीशन में अपने एडजस्ट करना है, ठीक है ना? अल्टीमेटली गोल यू हैव टू लर्न, यहाँ सीखो कहीं सीखो, सीखना है आपको अल्टीमेटली, ठीक है? जी स्टार्ट द सेशन ऑफ लीनियर रिग्रेशन।
ओके सर, थैंक यू सो मच सर।
तो आज मैं आपको पीपीटी पढ़ाऊंगा, केवल जो पीपीटी है मेरी मैंने बनाई है, और कल इसका मॉडल डेवलपमेंट बताएंगे जो मैं पढ़ाऊंगा, क्योंकि मेरे इस पीपीटीज में कुछ मैथमेटिकल कैलकुलेशन भी हैं। रिग्रेशन मॉडल बन कैसे रहा है, मोस्टली 80% पार्ट मैथमेटिकल है। सो आई होप यू विल एंजॉय द थिंग बेटर यू हैव इफ यू हैव पेन एंड पेपर देन इट्स बेटर। मैं आपको 2 मिनट दे रहा हूँ, अगर आप पेन एंड पेपर अरेंज कर सकते हो, बिकॉज फॉर गुड अंडरस्टैंडिंग you require this one. Pen, paper and mobile will work as a calculator. If you are attending with mobile, so take another mobile for calculation. Okay, so you really enjoy the thing, how linear regression works, that main thing. All right, so I welcome you on this session of linear regression. My name is Abhishek Srivastava. Let me introduce myself, and I have 10 years of experience in artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, and image processing. I have delivered 50 plus projects to students, and I am also working on many research projects. All right. So, think what linear regression is. Anyone tell me? Because everyone attended last 2 classes before my classes start. Linear regression. So, anyone can you brief me what exactly linear regression is? Yes, Harshada.
Yeah, so linear regression in that we have independent and independent variable. So we are predicting the output by constructing a model. First we train the data, then we test the data, then we predict the data. So this is the method of predicting the outcome.
Very good, very good. So what in my slide? Okay, so linear regression is one of the easiest and most popular machine learning algorithm. It is a statistical method that used for predictive analysis. Means keep your mind one thing, that machine learning is for prediction, data science is for prediction, and artificial intelligence for prediction. So I will ask you difference between these three on tomorrow. What is machine learning, what is data science, and what is artificial intelligence, and how these are differ. Okay, if you find some diagram on internet, so you find some circle diagram, which circle in which side. Okay, you have to find this thing. I will ask the thing tomorrow, but my topic today is linear regression. The linear regression make the prediction for a continuous or real or numeric variable such as sales, salary, age, and product. And as Harshada told me that it find the relationship between independent and dependent variable. So the first question arises: what is dependent and what is independent? Okay, I'm giving one example. You know, as you join any job, your experience will increase. As your experience will increase, your salary will increase. So experience is independent, and salary is dependent on the experience. So with the help of experience, we can build a model so that this model can predict the salary for you. Okay, so keep this mind, what is independent, what is dependent. Okay, and this independent factor may be one, maybe multiple. For example, you guys are students, your semester marks depend many things. For example, number of hours sleeping, number of hours playing, attendance, number of hours seeing the television. So these four factor will impact, not four, I mean they 10 factor, 20 factor, 20 independent factor which can give you the outcome, or we can say dependent, that is your marks. Okay, so first try to understand what is independent and what is dependent. Okay, so linear regression algorithm shows a linear relationship between the dependent and one or more independent variables. Hence, it's called the linear regression. So the linear relationship is there since if you plot anything over from data set, so all data point will be show some scattered manner, means non-linear. But here we have to fit a line known as the best fit line or regression line, which is used to find the linear regression. Since the linear regression shows the linear relationship, which means it finds how the value of the dependent variable changing according to the value of independent variable. What does it mean? If my experience is going to increase, so my salary will going to be increased. So we got a line, maybe this line create a slope of 45 degree, slope of 60 degree. So how good slope is, how more slope is, means slope cannot be increased beyond the 90 degree. Okay, so how good slope is, that kind of slope may rapidly change your data, and many things depend upon the slope. What thing? Slope is positive or slope is negative. So if your experience and salary I will plot, so we can say slope is positive. Okay, now second example where slope is negative. But I will try to ask this example before any student. Can anyone tell me, see, this is slope is positive because we are progressing. The x value is progress over here, y value progress over here, we are progressing. Okay, and this line known as the line of regression line, best fit line. Because why we say the best fit line? Because it tried to cover the maximum point, okay, with the given intercept and the slope. So this is a positive slope, means if I put my experience on x-axis, as my experience increases, my popularity increases, my salary increases, like that. Now, can anyone give me the example of negative slope? Any independent, one independent variable, one dependent variable?
Hello, sir.
Yes, please. Who's there?
Kamlesh here, sir.
Yes, Kamlesh. Kamlesh, can you give me any example of negative slope?
Age and strength can be example for that, sir.
What? Please repeat.
Age and strength.
Yeah. Age increasing, strength going to be decreased. Any more? Any more? Let's some do practical. If I have price of house, see, house price depend upon many things. The size of plot, the locality of plot. If any city increasing with pollution, okay, so no one want to live that city which is highly polluted, that is negative plot. We build a model of Boston house data set, which is a basic data model, and lots of things are hidden in that data set. So we will do that thing, and there will be show in the pair plot how the thing is changing. Okay, so as you can see over here, if we increase the crime, house price will decrease. If we increase the pollution, house price will decrease. So these are the example of where we have negative plot. Okay, so thing is that we are establishing the linear relationship between the different what we say input, independent variable and dependent variable. All right, now come to some little bit mathematical portion. If we have any line, so line is changing from starting position to end position. check this one. Let's suppose I have to calculate the, first check this one. This is x-axis, this is y-axis. I take 2 points over here of line. Okay, so the line cut the axis on y known as the intercept. See, what we have value on, what we have value, uh, where my red dot is there. What is, we have x value. Where's my red dot? Yes.
Zero.
Zero. Who is telling? Perfect. It's a 0. So on x equal to 0, what should be y equal to ideally? When x equal to 0, no, it's a 0.
It's also 0.
Zero.
Why we say Harshada? Because if any student, listen my example, very good example. If I am taking any test, I give 10 question. Any one student attempting the 0 question means blank copy. So should he or she get 5 number, 3 number, 2 number, or 0 number?
0 number.
Zero.
He or she must get the 0 number. But beside this, I am giving him to 4 number. So what it mean? I am biasing toward that student. Means I am creating some error. I am biasing. I am favoring that one. So intercept just nothing but the error available inside your data. That's why your line moving from some origin to somewhere else. Okay, we will see. Check this thing. Y is dependent variable, x is independent variable. Slope of this line means rate of change of y upon rate of change of x. That's why we take two position. On this point we have x and y, and this point we have x and y. So how we check the slope? Rate of change of y upon rate of change of x. In calculus we say dy upon dx. All right, so we can calculate slope of any line, and keep this thing, slope is constant for a given line on any 2 point. If you take any 2 point over here of that line, slope will be constant. Okay, so c known as the coefficient of line, m is known as slope of line. Sometimes c known as the intercept, and m is known as coefficient of x, because when we print the model coefficient, so slope will be printed. These are the terminology from the geometry, and some terminology from the our scikit-learn library. Now check this thing. If we have a rainfall, see, plotting the amount of crop yield based on the amount of rainfall. So rainfall is my independent variable and crop yield my dependent variable. Okay, if we do plot this thing, so we got this kind of thing. Rainfall increasing, so we have good crop production. So if we want to create a rainfall model, rainfall regression model, so what we do, we go do plot the best fit line, and then for a particular value of rainfall, I just drop the perpendicular on a regression line, or we can say it's a trained model. Someone asked me in the very first day of machine learning presentation, I don't know her name, that is how model is trained. Here model training means you plot all the point and you fit the regression line. You got the best fit line, means your model is trained and it is ready for prediction. For a given data point of this one rainfall, you drop a perpendicular on this one and you got the prediction over here. If you use, that is good. Otherwise you calculate the slope, you calculate the c value, and then you have a formula y equal to mx plus c. You have to put the value of x only. C and m will be calculated from over here, and then you got all the value of y. I hope any question on this slide is most welcome.
No, sir.
Very good. Okay. Okay, let's do the all regression work with the help of example. So I hope you are ready with the pen and paper. I just take 2 minute break. Okay, just 2 minute break. So I got water. So you guys also return a water break. It's 8:20. So we are reassemble on 8:22. All right, just wait. All right. Okay, welcome back. All of you over here. Okay, all right, 40 participants.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What I am doing here, I take some points over here for the value of x and for the value of y. Mind this, all points are not in linear state. If you want to try to fit any line, so you are unable to find this one. So let's consider sample data set with 5 row and find out how draw the regression line. Okay, it's better you note down this point, or better you see this thing sincerely. All right, now, so there is a rule. What rule? Regression line should be ideally passed through the mean of x and mean of y, and we have to verify this rule later on after few slides. Keep this rule in your mind. I will ask for to any participant, this please feed this rule in your mind. The regression line should be passed through the mean of x and mean of y. How to calculate mean? Add them all and divide total number of things. Add them all and divide. So mean of x is 3 and mean of y equal 4. So ideally line will pass over here. What is 3? On x we have 3, on y equal to 4. All right. So these are the regression line. Now we have to decide the slope and the intercept. For this we use some formula. What formula? We use some formula, and their entire documentation I given at last. I will back over here. That is a least square regression formula that is used for attempting the calculating the m value or c value. Okay, so this is site math is fun, mathisfun.com, where everything is given for the children. I mean, children means pictorial presentation. So least square regression mathisfun.com. This is a blog. Okay, let's attempt this thing. What is best fit line? Okay, that's why I say you have to carry over here pen and pencil and paper. Okay, so we have one example. Other thing is given, algorithm is given. We come back to algorithm after a few minutes. First see the example. Okay, first see the example. Very good example is there. So it take data set hours of sunshine and ice cream sold. We do everything with the example. So if the hours of sunshine is increasing, so sell of ice cream is also increasing. Now Sam found how hours of shine versus how many ice cream was sold on the shop of Monday to Friday. All right, so we have to find someone background sound is coming. Please mute yourself. Anyone have queries so he or she can ask me? Someone, Rishikesh, your sound. Okay, so let's found the M and B. Here B means C. So this is geometrical representation. Do not confuse. Keep this term y-intercept. So mx plus b. So how to calculate the mx plus b? That is important. Okay. First, what they do? They create a table. They take original data x and y. Then they do the x square, means this column, and then they do xy, means x into y, 4 to 8. Why they are doing? Because to calculate the value of m and c, their formula required these variables. Okay, now what it do? Sum x y x square xy, means summation x summation y. So how do they do? Like that, like that, like that, and like that. Okay, and we know the number of records is what? This one. Now the least square regression have this formula for the calculating of slope. N means number of data points, summation xy to 63, summation x into summation y, summation x to summation y upon n into summation x square. And second thing, mind the difference. What difference you mind? n into summation x square, summation x, then square. This quantity is this one. All right, this is different quantity and this quantity is different. So it find that m values 1.51. Now the formula for the intercept, summation y, why we calculate the slope first, because for intercept slope is required, m value is required, and they find a slope value this one. Yes, Yadav Valley. Yes, any query you can ask me.
So can you go up, please?
I can go up. Yes. Where? Step 1, 2, 3.
Step 1, sir. Can you please explain from here? I missed your voice.
But I hope I have good what we say microphone. So please participant also check your internet connection, because I have perfect. I have perfect connection. Okay, no problem. So by this way I calculate m and c. So equation become this one. An issue with over here?
No, sir. Can you explain
No.
step 2?
Okay. So now what I do, I made one column, x value, y value, and then equation. This equation is predicted value. Okay, why it's predicted value? Because I got the value m and c. I have to inject the value of x only. When you put the value of x over here, you got some values. You got some values, and this value when you plot, this value always in a straight line, because m is constant for this one, c is constant for this one, while the original line will be curvature shape. So sometimes you got the predicted value higher than the actual value, sometimes you got the predicted value lower than the actual value. That will decide the sign of this one. All right, now
Which
come
one will
back.
be a straight line, sir?
The straight line, which is the predicted line, that is straight line. Why predicted line is a straight line? Yes, Harshada. I remembered Harshada name. That's why I asked you query again and again. Why predicted line is a straight line?
We are plotting this line with the maximum points that we can cover.
No. 5 points are there. 5 points are there. Data only given to 5 points.
It's a linear regression.
No. Now I open the house
So
for
trying to draw a line which is closest to the points.
No.
Hello, sir.
Yes.
So the equation of
Kamlesh.
line is for the straight line.
Sir, slope and intercept is constant here.
Definitely. Slope and intercept is constant. You got the same slope for each point. So these all point predicted point in a straight line. While if you put your training data or your previous data, so you find a curvature line. That's why we got this thing over here. Now come back to my slide. This is some one kind of thing of what we say least square regression, which is used for line of best fit line. Okay, now come back to my PPT. What we do, we just know that the data is passed over here with a mean of x and mean of y. All right, now what we do, we apply the same formula. Just the way of writing is changed. N into x pi minus summation x summation y, same formula is there to finding the m. So all the things are calculated over here in the same table. Same thing happening over here. We got the slope value 0.6. Similarly, we got the intercept value 2.2. So my equation become mx plus c 0.6x plus 2.2. Why they put the value of 3? Why they put the value of 3 of x? We have value of x is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So it's a mean.
It's a mean.
Definitely to verify the
mean,
value.
sir.
To verify the value of mean. That's why they put the value of 3. So now you can verify if you are putting the value of 3 x, so they're returning the value equal to 4. Now you can see our line is correctly passing 3,4. But question is this: what are the other points? What are the other
So
points?
could you repeat it? Could you repeat it?
I just say that they put the value of x is 3 because they have to verify the y equal to 4. When you put x equal to 3, you got the y equal to 4. So we can say we verified that line will pass the mean of these points. The line will pass the mean. It's proved and verified. Okay. But now question is this: what are value of other those points? See, 1 point over here, which should be on this line. 1 point over here. So now I will show you what actually predicted point and what actually actual point. Now check this one. What they do, they create one more variable y pred. Y pred. So let us find out the predicted value of y corresponding the value of x using the linear equation where m equal to 0.6 and c equal to 2.2. It is calculated from the least square regression. See, they put the value of x and they obtain the value of predicted value or calculated value. So all those points which lie on a straight line known as a predicted point, all those points which lie in the line of regression, line of best fit, straight line known as a predicted point. Now, what you have to notice over here, the actual value may be less or may be high. Here for value of x equal to 1, please mind over here very important thing. For the value of x, the actual value is 2, that is a blue point, and the predicted value is 2 point something, that is 2.8. For the x equal to 2, actual value is 4 and predicted value is 3.4. So somewhere we got the value, predicted value higher than the actual value, and somewhere we got the predicted value lower than the actual value. So here the blue points represent the actual y value and brown point represent the predicted y values. So the distance between the actual and predicted values are known as residuals or errors. So these are errors. The best fit line should have the least sum of square of errors known as the E square. So we have to reduce this error by shifting the line, by shifting the my intercept, by changing the slope. So how much good slope you have, these distance is reduced and you got least error. Okay, least error means your model is good, it shows the least error. Now what they do, they calculate the errors, they calculate the errors. But what happened, there is one issue. What issue they have? Let's suppose one time I got the -2 error and one time I got the +2 error. So what my model reflect? How much error in my model?
0.
0.
So that is a problem. Even sometime my model have +2 error and sometime my model have -2 error. So they have 4 unit error beside this 4 unit error. Okay, because actual point are different from the predicted point. Beside this they show 0. That is a problem because minus and plus cancel out. So solution of this one, we make a square. We make a square of error. So once we make a square, so minus sign is going to be eliminated. Minus sign eliminated, then we add them all. And later on we can take mean. So we got an average error produced by the individual point. So this is known as the, what we say. Anyone tell me the name of this error?
Mean square. Mean square error.
I will tell you in a error section. We have error section. 3 error, mean absolute error, mean squared error, root mean squared error, and R2 score. Okay, I will discuss in everything because here mean is not done. So no name is over here. Once we got the mean, that is perfect name. We just squared a thing. So it's don't have any name. When we take a mean, so it's have a name. Okay. Now, again, quickly think how to find the Best fit
Sir,
line.
sum of square error.
But sum of square error, the thing, but in our scikit-learn library, we have to create mean square error. We have to create the mean square error, mean average error generated by a single data point. Okay, I mean what we calculated, I have to teach you that thing. All right. So how we calculate the best fit line? The line which pass through the nearby data point. That is good, because that will reduce the distance from each one. Okay, so the scikit-learn library is strong enough. That library calculate all the things. Now, what is simple regression? What is multiple regression? Simple regression, that regression in which we have one kind of one only independent variable, just like experience, an outcome variable salary, but sometimes we have multiple inputs, just like student performance depend upon attendance, upon number of hours studies, numbers of hours playing, sleeping. So keep this thing, every factor have their own slope, but only one intercept, because in this case we generate a plane, because multiple factor create a plane, means higher dimension. Okay, so we have simple regression, we have multiple regression. Now the use case, we can calculate the expenditure, we can calculate the profit, because I told you in the first day, regression is used to predict the numerals, or numeric one. So expenditure is numeric one, profit is numeric one. Okay, what errors? I skip that part. I use this part on tomorrow when I build the model, so that you have better understanding of this one. Even I will give you this PPT, everything written over here. Tomorrow I build a model on Boston House dataset, because Boston House dataset have many things, hidden things, and still research is going on Boston. Boston is city in USA, so the dataset to download, and I request all participants to do connect with me on tomorrow with the laptop, not mobile. So you can do this thing with me, parallel with me. If you do this thing with me, you will learn a lot, because this is first model, and approximate all model are little bit different in future. Otherwise, this is main thing you got over here. Now it's a question time. If anyone ask any question, he or she can ask me. Again, you can find this slide on LMS.
So, sir, for now we are not
So
discussing the errors.
tomorrow, when we build a model hand to hand, because for this data required, exactly data required. Today I don't have any data, not calculated. What thing we are only discuss with formula. So when we have data, no, then we have good discussion on that.
Okay.
Yes, Nisha asking something. Yes, please.
Yeah, sir, actually I have a doubt in Python.
Yes, please. What doubt you have in Python?
Sir, what is the difference between the package and the library?
You join the batch. See, I say to all participants, first try to Google before come on Mentor. First try to Google and find the link on Stack Overflow. So please do this thing. I am not denying to tell you the answer, but you have to make yourself independent, just like independent variable. Okay, you do not have to depend on me. Okay, so first you got independence, you got many link on this one. Okay, and make your package also after knowing this one in Python.
Sir, Stack Overflow is the site where the answer. Okay.
Stack Overflow, very good site. Entire programming community depend upon this one. Stack Data Exchange, Stack Overflow. Stack Overflow is very mandatory for all programming languages. Android, Java, PHP, everything is there. They give you code also. You have this kind of error and you have to make this thing. All right. So thank you all, and you will find this PPT on your LMS. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Omar.
Thank you, sir.
Yes, Omar, you are asking something.
Hello, sir. This
Yes, yes, Amit.
Sorry to disturb again.
No,
Can you
no
show me the
problem.
LMS? How do I get those materials?
First, you got the credential.
I got the credentials.
You go on to
Then
IB.
under there's so many subject like live class notes, data science, data visualization, Tableau.
So my notes
Huh?
over here. My notes over here.
Yeah,
See,
yours
my
is
screen is
Abhishek.
Okay. Actually, I stopped the screen sharing. Please wait. So you go this side.
Yes.
Open credential. You got dashboard. Dashboard like
Yes.
this. So scroll down. Open this one.
Uh-huh.
Go to last, very last. This is first day of presentation PPT.
Okay.
And you open this one. The PPT load in the given area.
Okay, sir.
It's loading. Okay. So this is the first day PPT. Okay. Now, if you want to download this one, click this one. It will download it.
Okay. And the lectures is on the YouTube, huh? The live lectures.
Yeah, when you open that channel over here, IIBM Institute of Business Management, take a screenshot of this one. So my 3 lecture over here, 2 days, 1 days, 7 hours ago. So what I taught on yesterday, day before yesterday, and day before yesterday over here.
Okay. I'll go through all of them. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank
Any
you, sir.
query, you can mail me. I will reply as soon as possible. All right.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Good day.
Good.
सर मैंने आपको जो मेल किया था होमवर्क, तो वो लिंक अगर हम शेयर करेंगे अपना लोकल होस्ट का, तो वो आपको रीडेबल होगा?
नहीं, आपको पीडीएफ बना के भेजना है बेटा।
पीडीएफ भेजना पड़ेगा?
पीडीएफ ही भेजना है आपको, सो दैट आई कैन एक्सेस माय मोबाइल आल्सो। ऑलराइट, थैंक यू। So I am finishing the session. Thank you so much.